The only 3 indicators you need for ICT. First, ICT sessions and kill zones. The market doesn't move randomly. It moves when liquidity enters the market. That's why we start with the Asian session, to mark the high and the low. Asia builds the range. London comes to sweep it. Once London kill zone opens, we wait for the liquidity sweep. That sweep gives us direction, and confirms daily bias. Second, MSS, market structure shift. This is where real reversals begin. A market structure shift tells you that order flow has changed. We're waiting for confirmation. If higher highs and higher lows break, the market is shifting bearish. If lower lows and lower highs break, the market is shifting bullish. Structure shifting means control is shifting. And when control shifts, that's where opportunity begins. Third, FVG, fair value gaps. When price moves aggressively in one direction, that's an impulse. And every strong impulse leaves behind an imbalance. That imbalance is unfinished business. When that impulse also creates a market structure shift, now we have confirmation. Smart money waits for the retracement. Price will often return to rebalance the fair value gap before continuing. So instead of entering, we wait. We let price come back into the FVG. Because that's where efficiency returns to the market.